Hi lovers, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are making bole and fish. You're going to love this one, believe me. Let's make it together. First, I will add some oil to my pepper mix. Then I'll put it in the oven to roast just for a while. You want that pepper roasted flavor, trust me. While that is roasting, I'll bring out my Titus fish. Then remove the dirt inside the fish. Then I will proceed to make incision on the fish. I do this because I want the seasoning and spices to enter the fish and not just stay on the fish skin. I will also recommend that you do this on your roasted fish as well, making the incision on both sides. I'm just going to tap it dry, remove all the water from it. For my spices, I'm using some salt, season cube, curry, thyme, smoked paprika. That's all I'm using for this season. You can add more season if you prefer. Now it is time for me to massage the season into the fish. I'm doing this because I want the season to enter into the fish properly and not just stay on the skin of the fish. Once you are done massaging the spices into the fish, you're just going to line it on the oven rack. Next, it's time for you to introduce your plantain. We are going to be using this plantain for our bole. Bole is simply a roasted plantain. I like to also have a little bit of flavor into my bole, so I'll be putting the plantain into the fish season so that my season do not go to waste. And also the plantain is slightly seasoned. I will massage the seasoning on the plantain like this. Once I'm done applying the seasoning on the bole, I'm just going to place the bole alongside the fish. I'm going to place the bole alongside the fish, then proceed to put it in the oven. Next, I'm just going to add some vegetable oil to a pan, then add my pepper mix, then stir thoroughly and also add some seasoning to it. to bring out my roasted fish for a while. It has roasted a little. I still want it to have that pepper flavor, so I'm going to add this fried pepper mix to it. I want to massage the pepper into the fish just for it to have a depth flavor. It was quite hot here. I will allow it to cool down a bit, then massage it on both sides. So after massaging the pepper into the fish, I'm going to put it back in the oven, then allow it to do its magic for 15 minutes just to give it that roasted vibe. I'm just going to flip the plantain for the other side to get roasted as well. Guys, please like this video and also share with your family and subscribe if you haven't. This is what we have. Our plantain and fish is ready. It tastes better than it looks. I do hope you try this recipe and share it with your family and friends. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing content.